Okay ba daw ang networking? Now, ang tubag dyan nato ana guys kay nindot ang networking industry pero dili tanan network marketing company nindot. In order for us to say na kaning network marketing company na imong plano apilan is good, naatay ginatawag na 4 P's, no? Upat ka letter P na kailangan nimo i-check para makasulti ka na okay ning kumpanya na imong sudlan. The first one is what we call profile. Unsa ba ang background sa company? Kinsa ba ang tag-iya? So you need to know a lot of things about the profile first because that's the company that you will be representing the moment mo appeal ka. Kaya dili mo po kaganahan na kaning imuhang kumpanya na sudlan, inaana din sila yung mga bati na history sa una, tapos ikaw pod madamay makaana. Ikaduha is ang product. Of course, the moment you become a distributor of a network marketing company, naadjud na siya product na ginabaligya. It's very hard to market something if the product is not good.